I guess it's it. Go on and do it. What's up, tubers? Shay, nomadic rebel goddess here. You talking about work. So I just wanted to come on here and kind of gradually get you guys into seeing what this process is like from beginning to end. So today in my first landing pad, packing up, getting ready to go, honey. Packing up, getting ready to go. So I am packing to get ready to leave on Saturday to my next destination. I got some things I need to tie up, and some loose ends I need to tie up for my house. So I'll be going back to my home, which California, the Bay Area, is my hometown, but I'm going where I have my home that I purchased, and gonna do some more clearing and make the final decision on if I'm gonna rent, if I'm going to rent it out, or if I'm going to sell it. I still haven't come to that conclusion yet. It's kind of hard, y'all. Like, it's really hard for me. So I just wanted to show y'all the process of the crap that I'm going through, and just kind of take a look at what yeah. So this is the landing pad. It's a 2-bedroom. So yeah, I have accumulated all of this stuff, guys. Like, I've accumulated all of this stuff in a matter of 2 months, okay? When I say 2 months, y'all, so now I gotta clear this stuff out. And yeah, get back to basics. But this is definitely gonna be my landing pad. So I'm washing, I'm doing laundry. And it's just like when I was working, it's just my work clothes, just some little slip-on clothes. So it's not like my complete wardrobe, right? So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. So I just wanted you guys to see. And I can't believe that I accumulated all of this stuff in a matter of 2 months. That just blows my mind. But yeah, I just want y'all to see what I'm doing and kind of like just talk to y'all for a bit and about this move. It's really like, this move is different, y'all. It's different. So I'm excited about it, but I hate doing the work. Like, yeah, I don't want to like do the work. So here I am packing up stuff, and I feel like maybe y'all motivate me a little bit to get some of this crap done, right? So I got my laundry pals. I got, yeah, just stuff that I don't even need, but I don't want to throw it away. So yeah, I was hoping maybe y'all motivate me. So here I am packing this stuff up, getting this stuff together, and trying to complete this whole, yeah. So here we are. So this is the first step, and I'm going to try to get it together, pack it up. I leave on Saturday, but I wanted to just capture some footage so you guys can see like what it takes to do this move, or should I say what it takes for me to complete my move. So I'm going to get some of this stuff together, and y'all just keep me company. Just keep me company. I ain't going to hold y'all for long. Just keep me company, motivate me. I don't even know, because I didn't buy no furniture for here. I didn't do none of that good stuff, right? So I don't even know where half of this stuff is going because there's no storage because I just moved here in September. So yeah, I don't have no storage. I don't got no nothing. Y'all don't got nothing. And I kind of don't want to buy lots of furniture because I'm going to be responsible for getting rid of it because I leave next month. So I'm kind of just leaving it open. So, you know, it is what it is, guys. So, yeah, here we are. Getting this stuff done, I guess, you know? Because if I don't do it, who will? Because, baby, I got to go. I got to get up out of here. So, yeah. Let's grab some hangers. And kind of like pick up what I can, I suppose. I can't believe I accumulated all of this in like 2 months. I can't believe I did that. So I wanted to talk about some things, but that's going to be a new video. As you know, this channel basically is just documenting my journey for Thailand. And just kind of showing you guys how I'm going to do it, how I'm going to exit. And, you know, get that life that I so want, life of ease that I so want. That's cute, huh? I thought this was pretty cute. Still got the tag on it. I think I've had this top like 2 years though. So yeah, I'm just gonna be putting this stuff away. The stuff that I can hang up. I don't think this goes on that. This stuff still got tags on it. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited about this journey. Just wanted you guys to come and follow along as much as you can because this stuff is important. Now I got a whole bag of this crap. A whole bag of stuff. Here's my accessories. You know, I've been looking for oh, that's for my ticket for the last one. One of my scarves. But yeah. So here's what I'm doing. I gotta figure out what I'm putting in this backpack. I don't know yet. Going through these bags. I don't know what half of this stuff is. So, oh, I can hang this thing. Half of this stuff up. Yeah. Oh man, this was a cute little top, but it's super wrinkled. Anyway, guys, I didn't want too much. I just wanted to let you know that the time is winding up. Tick tock, tick tock. It's happening. I'm getting butterflies. Saturday can't come fast enough, but I'm also a little scared, y'all. I'm a little scared because, you know, nervous. Maybe not so much scared, but nervous. Because I'm going to my other home. And we're going to see how that stuff goes. So, I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know what I was doing and packing up, getting ready to go and going to tackle, going back. Oh, I'm just, you know, woo. It is what it is. I'm a little scared, I don't know. I keep saying scared, but I don't mean scared. I meant, you know, nervous, should I say. And I just needed y'all to help me get through this. So, This channel came about because, ain't these cute? These channels came about because I have to go through a lot. Shut this down, see family, shut that down. And it's mentally and emotionally, what could I say? Heavy. It's not an easy process. So anybody who's doing this, I commend you. So I don't want to keep y'all for too long, as you see what I'm doing. So I'm going to come back with another video. So if y'all have any comments, please comment below. Let me know how I can make my process, how I can make my move a little easier mentally and physically on me. If you have any hacks about flying and all that stuff, let me know. Comment below. And I'll get back to you in the next video and let you know my progress. I got till Saturday. I think I leave Saturday morning. I don't know, Saturday morning, Saturday night, something like that. So yeah, let me know if you guys got some travel hacks or some cleaning hacks or something. And let's talk about it, because this process I want y'all to see, and I want y'all to follow along with me, and so I don't have to be by myself. All right, see you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. Please do. And I'll get back to you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.